A ball of mass small letter m is connected. You take it as it's a block of mass. Block of mass m is connected to another block, okay, connected to other block of mass capital letter M by a spring. Massless spring means ideal spring. Ideal spring means what? Spring's force is same, tension is same at every point. The spring's constant is K. The blocks are kept on the smooth horizontal plane. Initially, the blocks are at rest. Initially, blocks are at rest. The spring is unstretched. Then, contact force, a constant force F is acted on the block of mass capital M to pull it. Find the force on the block. Here the question is given. This is what mass, it's a capital letter M. Another block, its mass is small letter m, connected by the spring force. It's a spring. So it's a ideal. This is what? Ideal spring. It's a ideal spring. So ideal spring, the tension in this spring is, it's what? Away like this one, or both are same. So ideal spring Fs is equals to minus Kx, which is constant. I'm taking as a T. So he's asking when you apply a constant force F on it. So first I need to find about what is the acceleration, and next one, according to the given question. So what is the find the force on mass M? Okay, what is the force on this? What is the force on it? Okay, so this concept is what? First we need to go for this. F is equals to MA, capital M plus small m into A. Then A is equals to, what do you say? F by M plus M is the case. This is acceleration. It is ideal, that's what, both of these to have the same accelerations. The acceleration is towards here. It's what? A. A is equals to F by M plus M. Now, here we need to find, according to free body diagram FBD of small letter m, its mass is m. So, this is the mass m is connected. Okay, it's what here means what the tension is what? T, and next one, that's it. So, what is the acceleration is what you say? It's a. Then F net is equals to what? F net is equals to, so what forces are acting on this one? This m into a. Okay, so F net means what? It's a F on this is equals to small letter m into, what is the acceleration? F by capital letter M plus small letter m times of this. Okay, so answer is F into small m by capital M plus small m. F into small m by capital M plus small m. Option D is correct. A spring balance is attached to ceiling of a lift. Ceiling of a lift means for the top, so upper part of the lift. A man so hangs his bag on the spring, and the spring leads that on the spring 49 Newton. When the lift is stationary, this is what lift is stationary. If the lift moves downward with an acceleration, acceleration is given. This is what in the downward. The reading of the spring when the balance will be, reading of the spring balance will be what? So just what here is the lift. Okay. So just to imagine that this is a mass is m is attached. Okay. So acceleration A is equals to 0. What is the condition? W is equals to m into g. So W is given as what? 49 is equals to m into g value 9.8. M is equals to 49 by 98 into 10. 49 ones are, 2s are, 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So M is equals to 5 kg. if the lift moving downward direction, when lift moves downward, okay? So when lift accelerating, okay? So when lift accelerates, when lift accelerates, okay? So when the lift accelerates downwards, downward direction means what? Relative, that's what effective acceleration is equals to what you say, A effective is equals to, so G minus A, okay? So its weight W dash is equals to M into what? G minus A. So what is the mass given? Mass we can substitute as, it's a 5. Next one, G is what? It's a 9.8 minus A is given, it's a 5. Okay, so this is 5 into 4.8. Okay, so 5 into 4.8. So 5 8s are 40, 4, 20, 24.0. So the answer is 24 Newton. A block of mass M is pulled along a horizontal frictionless surface by a rope of mass M. If a force P, this is force P is applied at the free end of the rope, the force exerted by the rope on the block. This is the horizontal surface, a block of mass M. This is the rope. The force is applied. Its a force is P. Its mass is capital letter M. Its mass is small letter m. So consider this total as a system. Total as a system. So this is consider the the two or block and rope as a system. So then force F is equals to what? M plus small m into A. F means what? It's a P is equals to capital M plus small m into A. Acceleration A is equals to P by M plus M is the acceleration. A is equals to P by capital M plus small m. So the force on mass M, the force on mass capital letter M. Okay, F is equals to M into A. This is M means M capital M. A is what it say? P by M plus small m is the applied force. So the force on what? Mass capital M. A light spring balance hangs from the hook of other light spring balance, and a block of mass capital M kg hangs from the former one. Then the true statement about the scale is what? This is first one, spring balance. This is one. Next one is what? This. Here it's a mass M is collected. So these are ideal springs. Okay. So these are ideal springs. So for ideal springs, okay. So these two are taken as a ideal springs. Then the tension in this one is, the reading in this, tension in this one, both are same. So tension in spring 1 is equals to tension in a spring 2 So that is equals to what? T is equals to what you say, it's a mg. So this is equals to what? Mg. Both the scales read mg. Okay, mg. Both the scales read mg each. Option 1 is correct. A lift is moving downwards with an acceleration A. A man in the lift drops a ball inside the lift. The acceleration of ball as observed by the man in the lift and a man standing stationary outside the ground. Okay, so this is the lift. So here a man is there inside the lift. A ball is dropped, let it be this. Okay, so this is what is its acceleration? It's a free fall. This lift is moving downwards. A person is standing on the ground outside. So with respect to him, what is the acceleration? First one I'm talking about case 1, for the case 1. Okay, with respect to man, and next one is what? It's a lift. Okay, for a man standing inside the lift, okay, so this is ball. Okay, it's what? A is equals, what is it? It's a G, is moving with an acceleration A. Acceleration of ball with respect to man is equals to acceleration of ball minus acceleration of man. So what is the acceleration of ball? Dropped, it's a G. Acceleration of man is what? It's a A. Next, so second case, for the case 2, then for a man standing outside, for a man standing outside, standing outside means what is the acceleration of man standing outside? 0. So acceleration of ball with respect to man is equals to acceleration of ball minus acceleration of man. So acceleration of ball is what? As usual is G only. Man acceleration 0, it's what? G. So your answers are G minus A and G. So this is the answer. When forces F1, F2, F3 are acting on a particle of mass m such that F2 and F3 are perpendicular. This is the particle. This is F2. Next one is F3. They are perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular, then a particle remains stationary if the F1 is now removed. So it's up to here. This is what F1. F1 is what, like this is F1. So then the particle remains in a stationary. Okay, it remains in stationary. So when F1 removed, when F1 is removed, so F1 removed means, first of all, you should know that how it is stationary. The resultant of this F2 and F3 is balanced by what? F1. Okay, so resultant of this is, okay, F2 bar. Next one, this is, it's a, this is F3 bar. Okay, F3 bar. This is what? Resultant. So resultant of this, it means what? F1 bar is equals to F2 bar plus F3 bar. Okay, F1 bar magnitude is equals to under root of F2 square plus F3 square is the case. So when F1 is removed, F1 is removed means what? Whenever F1 is removed, when F1 bar is removed, okay, F1 bar is removed, particle accelerates in a, in the direction of F2 bar plus F3 bar, the resultant of this. So then F1 bar is equals to what? M into A. F1 bar is equals to M into A. Then A is equals to what? F1 by what? It's a M is the case, because F1 is balanced by what? F2 and F3, magnitude of F2 and F3. So the answer is first. A coin is placed on rotating table, just slips when it is placed at a distance of 1 centimeter from the center. If the angular velocity of the table is halt, first let me take it as this is the table. It is rotating with respect to this. So its radius is, for example, this is the coin. If you take about, it's a coin. Yes. It is rotating with an angular velocity omega. Just slips means what? At this position, okay, this central force Fc is balanced by what? Frictional force. So frictional force F is equals to Fc. F means what? F means what you say? Mu into N is equals to Fc. N is what? Mg. It's a normal reaction. N weight is what? Mg. So mu into mg is equals to Fc means what? Mr omega square. Okay. So Mr omega square. So this is the first condition. Yes. Second one is when angular velocity is doubled. Doubled or no? It is halt. So halt means first next one is what? Mu into m into g is equals to m r dash into omega by 2 whole square is my second equation. Okay. So now we can talk about this from the equations 1 and 2. Okay. This is mr omega square is equals to m r dash omega square by 4. So m and m cancel. Okay. R omega square is equals to r dash omega square by 4. R dash omega square cancel. R dash is equals to 4 R. R dash is equals to 4 into R value is given as 1 centimeter initially. Yes, it is a 1 centimeter. This is R1. Then R dash is equals to 4 centimeter. If the angular velocity is a halt, so where should I place the coin to rotate? Okay. So then what? R dash must be what? 4 centimeter.